U.S. East Coast blanketed by bombogenesis snowstorm. Experts warn of historic snowfall in some places, and flood warnings have been issued near the coast. More than 5,000 U.S. flights have been cancelled. As the storm arrived, more than 116,000 households across Massachusetts were without power. Forecasters say there is a chance the storm, known as a nor'easter, will blanket the Boston area with up to 2 feet, 61 centimeters, of snow, and up to 1 foot, 30 centimeters, of snow has already fallen in parts of New York. A blizzard warning has been issued throughout the Northeast, the first time such an alert has been issued since 2018. According to CBS News, about 75 million people are in the path of the storm.